Okay.
Hello, it's me, Jeremy Sorosa. We're now trying to survive a thunderstorm. Now, as we see here, we can barely see 15 feet in front of us. It's getting real tight outside. You can see, in a little while, you should see a lightning bolt just explode out of the ground. Terrell, our driver.
Hello, hello.
John Sousa, our cameraman. And of course me, Jeremy Sorosa. Now we're coming up to Barry University, or what used to be Barry University. Right here on our right. See the tower? It's been told that 14 men died trying to build that tower. And the last man alive, his name was Barry, hence Barry University. Here we got a Cadillac. Probably have dopers in the back seat. We'll wave off to them, but we shouldn't get too antsy with them. They're known to be aggressive during this time of season. Now approaching Northwest 125th Street. People have their goddamn blinkers on. Alright. We seem to be in a safe zone, no lightning anywhere. Oh, I spoke too soon.
Saw one?
Yes.
Fuck, man, I didn't get it. I want a big one again.
You hear that thing? That was a class 4, we're looking for a class 7.
Hey, are they at Chili Shop?
Oh, no, they left.
Ask me if it's raining over there.